Hiya! I'm Vicky and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a lightning bolt or a lightning strike. Enjoy! Right, so I'm going to start with bottoms up as a base colour, and this was already on a sculpted nail, so it's already prepped. If you're doing it on a gel polish, on a natural nail, you need to base coat it and like dehydrate and prep. Close to that cuticle as possible. Drag down, cap the free edge. Can't get close up there, so using a little brush, just gonna get closer to that cuticle. Once you're happy with that, pop it under lamp for 30 seconds, please. Just cleaning off my brush with the No Nails Gel Residue Wipe-Off Solution. Second coat of bottoms up. It's a really good coverage nude colour, this. There we go. Pop that under, another 30 seconds, please. Right, so using Flame Point, which is this mad neon orangey pink. I've popped a bit in a palette, just gonna wipe over this nail, get rid of the sticky layer. I'm doing a lightning bolt. I think it'll go really well with like the flames that I've done on a previous nail. Pop that under, 30 seconds please. I use a little bit of Snow White. Already put that on my palette, and just to make this stand out a little bit more, I'm just going to go around it with the white. When you're doing straight lines, I don't actually look at the tip, I look at like this part and I'm seeing where it's going, because you know if the brush goes around that way, it's gonna go that way. There you go. Pop that under, 30 seconds please. I'm gonna go in with a top coat. Put far too much on then, dragging it off, popping it back in the bottle. Pop that under the lamp, 60 seconds please. Now with the No Nails cuticle oil in vanilla, I'm going to rehydrate that nail. It smells like ice cream. And there you have a lightning bolt. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. And give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. All the products are listed below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!